Yes, everyone be ready for listening of maths class. It is very interesting class. The chapter 2, continuation of chapter 2. What is the name of chapter 2? Linear equation in two variables. Yes, children. Now, in this chapter we already finished some exercise and some topics also we have finished. Now we are going to learn about exercise 2.5 problems. How to solve the exercise 2.5 problems. You have to observe. Okay, now everyone be ready with your textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, scale, test. Be attentive in maths class, listen properly. What I am explaining on the board, you have to listen carefully. Now, everyone open your textbook, that is page number 56. Okay, children? So, in that exercise 2.5 problems are there. What they said in exercise 2.5, first bit, solve the following questions. They said, solve the following questions. We need to solve the following given questions. First one, exercise. Look at the board, everyone. While explaining time, you have to observe board. In first one, n by 5, n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3 is given. Okay, children, in this, we need to calculate what we need to calculate here. We need to calculate n value. We need to calculate n value. You have to, how to do this problem, children? Simple, children. Here only single variable is there. Here only single variable is there. This is constant, yes or no? It is having any variable? No. It is not having any variable. That's the reason this value transposed to this side. This variable value should be here only. Remaining constant values transposed to this side. N by 5, this will transpose to this side. It means here minus is there. This will transpose to this side, means you will get plus value 5 by 7. So n by 5 keep like that only. This n by 5 keep like that only. Here you have to observe, children. Here fractions are there, not single values. Here not natural numbers. It is in the form of like fractions. Yes. So that's the reason we first we took here. We want to take LCM of these two denominators. Yes or no? We know in previous class we learned. So we want to take this LCM. How to add the fractions in 4th class, 5th class, 6th class, 7th class also we learned. Yes, till that previous classes we learned 3, 7. So what is the LCM of these 3? 3 ones are 3, 7 keep like that only, and 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay, what is the LCM of these two values? 7 3s are 21, 21 ones are 21, 21 ones are 21. 3 into 7, you will get 21. What is the value of 3, 7 LCM? 21. Clear, children? So here 3 in 3 table, how many times it will go to 21? 7 times. Yes, 3 7s are 21. This 7 into 2. Or else we can take like this also. Cross multiplication also we can take. Plus 3 5s are 15. N by 5 is equal to 7 2s are 14. 3 5s are 15 by 21. Got it, children? This one keep like that only. This will go to this side. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. Take the LCM of these two values and do the cross multiplication. You will get idea. 2 7s are 14 plus 7 3 5s are 15 by 20. So n by 5 is equal to n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15 is nothing but 29 by 21. So we want variable value. N value keep here only. This will transpose to this side because we want only variable value. It is having in the denominator 5. So denominator should go to this side. 29 into 5 by 21. So n is equal to 29 into 15. 9 5 is 45. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 4. 145 by 21. So this is our answer. Got it, children? Simple. All variables one side, other constant terms other side we are going to take. Okay. So I am taking this as this side. We will get plus value. Take the LCM of these two values. You will get like this. Okay. This is the end value. Now coming to second program. Look at your textbook. Second, it is very simple, children. And third one I will tell you. What is the third program? Look at your textbook. Observe. And what is the value of the given? What value we need to calculate here? Z by 2. Third one. Z by 2 plus Z by 3 minus Z by 6 is equal to 8. Z by 2 plus Z by 3 minus Z by 6. It should be equal to 8 value. Okay. Now here 3 may observe single variable is there, but it is 3 times it is there. Okay. So Z by 2 plus Z by 3 minus Z by 6. It should be equal to 8. We need to calculate only Z value. Here 3 fractions are there. First we want to take LCM of these fractions. Denominators 2, 3, 6. The LCM of 2, 3, 6. Children, if any rough work is there, do it in rough space. So I am assuming this as rough space. In this we will do 2, 3, 6 LCM value. We want to calculate LCM of 2, 3, 6. 2 ones are 2, 3 keep like the only 2 threes are. Again in 3 table, 3 ones are 3 ones. Okay. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 6? 6 is the LCM. 2 threes are 6. The LCM of least common multiple of 2, 3, 6 is 6. Okay, children. Now 6 is the LCM. How to do this fraction addition? You know, children. Yes. So in 2 table, how many times it will go? Yes. So 2, 3 the 6 or not? Yes. The 3 into Z. 3 into the multiple into this numerator plus again in 3 table. In 3 table where it will go in 3 to the 6. Yes. 3 to the 6. So the 2 into Z minus in 6 table where it will go 6 1 the 6. 6 1 the 6. That's the reason 1 into Z is equal to 8. 8 can be written as 8 by 1 or not? Any number can be written as by 1 or not? Yes. So 8 by 1. 3Z plus 3Z plus 2Z is nothing but 5Z minus 1 into Z by 4 by 6 is equal to 8 by 1. So 5Z is subtracted with Z. You will get Z by 6. It should be equal to 8. Okay, children, understood how we are going, how we can select? Understood? Simple. They are in the fraction. They are in the fraction. What is our aim here? We need to calculate Z value. We need to calculate Z value. So that's the reason I am taking the denominators LCM value. I took 2, 3, 6 in the LCM factorization method. So 2 ones are 2, 3 keep like that only, 2 threes are. Again 3 table, 1 and 3 ones are 3 ones. 2 threes are 6. Okay, the LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 6. So 6 I took here, and in 6, 2 tables, 6 how many times it will go? 2 threes are 6. Yes, the 3 into this numerator plus in 3 table how many times it will go? 2 times. So 2 into Z. In 6 table only once. That's the reason 1 into Z is equal to 8 can be written as 8 by 1. Okay, children. Now 3Z plus 2Z, 5Z minus 1 into Z by 6 is equal to 8 by 1. 5 is subtracted with Z, you will get 5 is subtracted with Z, you will get 4Z. Okay, 5Z is subtracted with Z, you will get 4Z by 6 is equal to 8 by 1. Now do the cross multiplication. 4z into 1, 4z. 6 into 8. 6 into 8. Next we want z value. We want z value. Z key here only. This 4 will come to this side, means it will in the denominator's place, because here multiplied. Here multiplied. If you go to that side, means you will get denominator's place. That means divisible. So here 4 ones are 4 twos are 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. So what is the value of z, children? Here z is nothing but 12. Z is equal to 12. Got it, children? How to find out z value in this method? Understood? Simple here. First we have to select numerators of the given fractions. Find out LCM, and then after you have to apply like this, you will get z value. Now next problem. It is very easy problems, children. Just you have to observe and carefully you have to do it. Definitely you will get it. Fourth problem. In this video only fourth problem. What they are given, listen properly. What they are given in this, 2p minus 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 11 2 by 3. Mixed fraction is given. 11 of 2 by 3 is given. Okay. Now this is fourth problem. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 11 2 by 3. 11 2 by 3 is given. Okay, children. Now 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 11 2 by 3 is given. What we need to calculate here? We need to calculate p value, variable value we need to calculate. But it is in the fraction formation is there. So what I said, first we have to select denominators of the given fractions. We need to calculate variable value. Before going to find out the variable value, first we need to calculate the LCM of given fractions. Okay, so the LCM of given fraction denominators. What is the LCM of 3, 5? This is rough space. Rough space. 3, 5. So 3 ones are 3. 3, 5 keep table only. Again, and 5 table. 5 ones are 5. So what is the LCM of 3, 5? The LCM of 3, 5 is nothing but 15. You have to observe 3 5s are 15 or not, children? Yes. So take the LCM 15. In 3 table how many times it will go 15? 5 times. 3 5s are 15. Like this. 3 5s are 15. This 2p into 5. 2p into 5 minus p into 3. P into 3. It should be equal. This is mixed fraction is given, children. How to do the mixed fraction can be converted. How to convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction, you know. Yes, this fraction you know. 30, 11 into 3. 3 into 11 plus 2. 11 into 3 is nothing but 33 plus 2 by 3. Okay, children. Now 2p into 5, 10p minus p into 3, 3p by 15. It should be equal to 33 plus 2, 35 by 3. Now 10p is subtracted with 3p, you will get 7p by 15. It should be equal to 35 by 3. 35 by 3. 7p keep like that only. This will go to this side because we want variable value. 35 into 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. Yes. Now 7p is equal to 35 into 15. Then p keep here only 7 will go to this side. 35 into 15 by 7. So this is our answer. We want the calculation, we can do it. Always keep like that only. Okay, children? So like that you have to find out p value also. Next, coming to next problem, you have to observe in your textbook. So in this sixth one is some difficulties there. I will tell you sixth one. You have to observe because they are given the three combinations and it is addition of some fraction also given. You have to observe. In sixth one, what they are given in sixth one, x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10. It should be equal to 1 by 5. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5 is given. From in this total we need to calculate variable value. We need to calculate variable value. So how can you find out the variable value? First all variables one side, all constant terms other side. Okay. So here variables and constants are there. That's the reason first I am taking all variables one side. X by 2 keep like that only. This is constant. This will go to this side. Okay. Now plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. This will transpose to this side. This total value is transposed to this side. So here minus is there. Transposing means you will get plus value or not? Yes. So plus 4 by 5. Okay children, now we are going to take here all fractions are there. So we are going to take LCM of given denominator values. This is rough space. So to any rough column is there, do it in rough space only. 2, 5, 10. So what is the LCM of 2, 5, 10? 2 1 are keep like that only, 5 is also keep like that only. 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10. And 5 is a 5 is. Okay. Now what is the LCM of 2, 5, 10? 10 is the LCM. 2 5 are 10. 10 is the LCM. Next. In 2 table, how many times it will go? 10, 5 times. 2 5 is 10. Then 5 into x. In 5 table, how many times it will go? 2 times. 2 into x. In 10 table, how many times it will go? 1 time. 10 ones are 10. That 1 into 3x is equal to, here LCM is 5, here 5 is there, here 5 is there. 5 and 1 plus 4. Next, 5 into x, 5x plus 2 into x, 2x plus 1 into 3x, 3x by 10. Okay children, understood what I am saying? Understood? Is equal to 1 plus 4, 5 by 5. So 5x plus 2x, 7x. 7x plus 3x, 10x by 10 is equal to 5 by 5. These both will cancel. So here also 10 gets cancelled. Children. So what is the left values? X is equal to 1. Our answer is x is equal to 1. Understood? Got my point children everyone? X is equal to 1. Same like that only you have to finish remaining problems also. In your textbook observe some 12th one is some difficulties there children. It is the combination of 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7. It should be equal to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14 is given. So it is the combination of two separate values are given. We need to calculate in this t value. How it is possible? By taking the LCM of denominators of the given fractions. You have to first take the LCM of given values. Okay children? So like that you have to find out. Definitely you will get t value. Note down children, your homework is exercise. Your homework is exercise 2.5. First bit full. Exercise 2.5. First bit full. Because in this bit 12 problems are there. Already I said 4-5 problems. Okay. Remaining problems as your homework. You have to complete your homework. Which day I am giving homework. On that day only you have to complete. Don't give any pending work. Write neatly in your classwork. Maintain neatness in your classwork. Each and every problem after you have to draw the lines. If you are using any formula in